Check out Ted's Woodworking. If you want to make it out of wood, Ted will show you how. And want a huge selection of plans from which to choose, with detailed drawings and specs, material and tool requirements. Ted's Carpentry is the site for you. I have checked out many similar sites and none can compare to Ted's Carpentry. There are more than 16,000 carpentry plans which you can download immediately. Directions are clearly written and organized, guidelines and specifications complete and accurate. You won't be frustrated with guidance from Ted. I wanted to make a bunk bed for my 2 kids. I signed up for Ted's Carpentry with a 60-day money-back guarantee. There are so many great ideas for all sorts of useful projects, with easy-to-read drawings. There are more than 16,000 plans in the one bundle bargain. Whatever it is you are looking to accomplish, Ted is the coach who can get you there. Even though I am a banker, as a child I always wanted to make things out of wood, to learn carpentry. I looked at many different sites. The wide variety ideas, helpful tips and advice on avoiding pitfalls make Ted a trusted partner and make Ted's Carpentry a fantastic tool in anyone's workshop. Much appreciated, Ted. For more information, I will leave the link below the video. If you liked my video, please give me a like. Thank you.